Guys, I want to do a slime video. So I'm at my desk, and sorry if you see this flashing light. See, it's like if you drop it, it'll light up. But yeah. So I made this like coffee slime, and it did kind of mix, but it's okay. It's like foaming soap on the top, and then like your slime on the bottom. And it's a really good slime. It's super stretchy and pokeable when you play with it. And here's the foaming soap. It is kind of slimy, the foaming soap, because I did add a little tiny bit of slime, and I just mixed it. So, yeah, guys. And this is just a slime video, nothing really special. So, yes, guys. Nothing special is going on. It's just, and I probably won't videotape too long because I'm doing something with my friend, and she doesn't want to be on camera, so, yeah. It's so fluffy now. So I took brown slime and foaming soap, and this is what I've got. And I put it in a peanut butter jar because it looked cool. And I didn't have any other containers. Okay. So I really want to take this out and play with it, but I don't have a paper plate or something to play with, so it's all downstairs. And go check out vlog 60, and I'm doing a Q&A again. So I will be announcing if we're doing a Q&A June 21st. So, yeah. Look at that. Look at that color. It's so cool. It's like a nice color too. It smells like soap. Pretty good smelling. And I'm probably going to add in some Tide because I need to. It's a little runny. Whoa, that was a lot. Oh my god, that was a lot. Guys, you should saw how much I put in. I put it in like a lot. But it's okay because it was really runny. And guys, if you're gonna make slime, don't use borax because I don't know if you guys heard, but a little girl got 3rd-degree burns because of using borax. So yeah. Well, it is called boric acid, so it's acid, so it will burn if you use it wrongly. I've never used borax to make slime, and I don't recommend to use borax now that I've heard about that. So yeah. Don't use borax, guys, because you're probably harming yourself. Maybe doing something wrong, and you're just gonna maybe hurt yourself. I don't know. But you can hurt yourself with borax, so don't try and use the borax way, because I don't recommend the borax way. And this is so thick of a slime now. So I'm actually going to shake it, because I've heard that if you shake slime, it comes out good. So I'm shaking it pretty well too. Pretty good slime so far. Coffee slime. So I took, like I said, I took brown slime and foaming hand soap. And I just put the coffee looking slime on the bottom. And I have to watch some more videos, so I'm probably going to watch some soon. Look at how big and fluffy, like, and this was used with Model Magic clay. The slime itself, it had Model Magic clay in it. And then I just put some brown, all different colors. And then I played with it. And then I've got the coffee looking slime. And then I put foaming soap and just so fun to play with. And it's pokeable, so and it makes cool noises. So yeah. Look at this slime. Like, this is like overloading. Oh, thank God I didn't have Tide in the cup. Okay, so I'm probably gonna put. So I'll show you how I did it. So I have my coffee slime, and then I got my foaming soap, and then I just pumped it. And to make it look like whipped cream or something on the top. I don't know, whatever's on the top of coffee. Because I don't drink coffee. So I'm going to put about to the top. Okay, so I got it all the way to the top. Look at that. Looks like a little drink that you can get at like McDonald's or Starbucks or whatever you guys go to. Whatever people go to get coffee. Look at that little swirl. It's so cute. So if you want to learn how to make the slime itself, just comment down below. And I will do so. But like, look at that. It is kind of off a little bit and pretend this is like the straw. Look at that. Look at that. This could be my, oh, the lid fell off. And I'm going to take it off without the lid, and the soap just went flying. Isn't that great? The soap was in the lid. So the soap just went out. So I'm going to make this my thumbnail. Which is going to be so cute. Wait, let's tilt the camera up. I really want that to be my thumbnail. Look at how cute this is though, like it has the coffee on the bottom and like all the different stuff that people put on top, like whipped stuff, and you can have your straw in there and just enjoy your drink. And I'm gonna put the lid on, try and see if it'll work. There we go, look at that, so cute. I did not put my mouth on it, so guys. Look at how cute that is. I really want that to be my thumbnail, one of those. Now, unfortunately, let's mix it together. See, that's your slime, and then you can mix in the whipped stuff. And if you really want to go full on, you can like make it smell like coffee. You can put it in a mug with a little bit of cinnamon, I guess. I don't know. Whatever you really want. And look at that coffee slime. So simple to make. It's easy. It's all you need is a jar or a mug, brown slime, and shaving foam or shaving cream or fluffing soap. I used fluffing soap because I think it's better, but whatever you like is up to you. I really want to do a juice one like this. And I also really want to do a lemonade one, because I was inspired by someone who did a lemonade one for ASMR. I was like, I really want to do a lemonade one, so I might do a lemonade one soon, because it is getting closer to summer. Every day, getting closer and closer. But here's most of the slime. I got most of the slime out, not all of it, because I can't get it in there to get it out. But I did get most of it, and it's like a brown color. It smells really good, like soap. And it makes cool noises, like I said before. And I recommend to mix this about, I don't know, a lot. And I really want to put some more whipped cream on top. And look at that straw. Look at how cute that is. Like, you can have, like, your little coffee, and then, like, your whipped stuff. And you can even put a little bit of sprinkles if you want. You don't have to, but you can if you want. And look at that little cute little shake. It looks like a shake to me, because like what coffee has whipped cream on top. And it's really cute, and it has a straw that you can drink it. So cute. And now I'm going to take this out. And that is your drink. And it's so fluffy and airy and fun to play with. Anyways, and yeah. So this is going to be it for the slime video. And I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.